fine. Now over here they have considered an example, that is dy by dx is equal to x square y plus y. Okay, so what is this? This is a differential equation of which type? I can say this is a particular differential equation. This is a particular differential equation. Why this is a particular differential equation? Because there is no arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant is absent. Okay, I don't see arbitrary constant anywhere here. Okay, that is the reason I will going to call this as a particular differential equation. Okay, now what we need to find? We need to find general solution. What we need to find? We need to find general solution. GENERAL. ठीक है, general solution. Okay, what we will get if we will find general solution? We will get equation. Okay, we will going to get equation, and this equation will not contain any derivative, means dy by dx. Okay, this will not going to contain dy by dx. So how to do this? We will going to do this a method called separation of variables or variable separator method. How we will do it? We will do by a method called separating the variables or variable separation method. With this we will going to solve. Okay, let's solve this. What is the equation? Dy by dx is equal to x square y plus y. Okay, so I am writing that dy by dx is equal to x square y plus y. By which method I will going to use? I will going to use with variable separator method. It means what? It means I have to keep x on one side and y on another side. I have to separate this. How can I separate this? Okay, from here I can take y as common and I will get x square plus 1. Here it is dy by dx, so that dx I am taking here. So I can see कि ये x तो है एक तरफ आ गया, लेकिन ये y एक तरफ नहीं आया है, तो इस y को हम यहाँ लेके जाएंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 by y dy is equal to x square plus 1 dx. मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? मुझे फाइंड करना है जनरल सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, क्या फाइंड करना है? जनरल सॉल्यूशन. Not differential equation but general solution. In general solution, dy and dx should not come. Any differentiation should not come. So for that, what I'll do? For that, I will going to take integration on both sides. So when I take integration on both sides, I have to put some constant. Correct? So the integration of 1 by y dy will be what? This is log y. Okay, integration of x square is what? It is x cube upon 3, and integration of 1 is what? It is x, and this c is a constant. So this is what is the answer. What? General solution answer. Clear? ठीक है, तो इसको मैं लिखूंगा dy is equal to x square root of 25 minus x square dx. ठीक है, इंटीग्रेट किया प्लस सी मिल गया. अब इसमें मैं पुट करूंगा, पुट 25 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू टी. डिफरेंशिएट किया तो माइनस 2x dx इज इक्वल टू dt. तो dx की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? माइनस dt अपॉन माइनस 2x. dx की वैल्यू माइनस dt अपॉन माइनस dt नहीं करूंगा, ठीक है, माइनस डी टी अपॉन अपॉन 2x, ये माइनस में वहां ले गया, ठीक है। तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा y इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन, एडजस्ट हो जाएगा वो, x यहाँ लिखूंगा स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 25 माइनस टी स्क्वायर टी लिखूंगा, और dt जो है dx जो है वो dt अपॉन 2x है, ये x तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एंड दिस इज योर c। ओके, चलो ये हो गया। अब इसके आगे y इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन, ये माइनस है तो मैं इसको वहां ले जाता हूँ, चलो रहने दो, माइनस को मैंने बाहर निकाल दिया, और ये आ गया स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ t dt, ओके, प्लस c। इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, इसका इंटीग्रेशन नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लेता हूँ, दैट इज बेटर। सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मैंने लिया इंटीग्रेशन y इज इक्वल टू माइनस t टू द पावर ऑफ हाफ प्लस 1 इज 3/2, दिस विल बी 3/2, ये भी 3/2 आएगा, ओके। और ये 2 कहाँ गया, ये 2 नहीं लिखा क्या, ये 2 लिखना है ना यहाँ पर, 1/2
y के पीछे
माइनस माइनस 1/2, ये 2 लिखना था मुझे, मैंने लिखा नहीं, ये 2 यहाँ आएगा, ठीक है। वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी ये 2 यहाँ पर आएगा, ठीक है, ये यहाँ पर 2 आएगा, एंड दिस 2 and 2 इज गेटिंग कैंसल्ड, प्लस c। अब मैं मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 ऑन बोथ द साइड्स करूंगा, तो आई विल गेट 3y इज इक्वल टू माइनस टी टू द पावर ऑफ 3/2 प्लस 3c, देन 3y, ये प्लस इसको मैंने यहाँ पर ट्रांसपोज किया, और t की वैल्यू मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी, क्या है t की वैल्यू 25 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, तो t की वैल्यू 25 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ, ठीक है, ये क्यूब इज इक्वल टू, ओके, इज इक्वल टू 3c, तो मैं इसको c लिखता हूँ, और जहां भी ऊपर c है उसको मैं c1 लिख दूंगा, ठीक है, जहां जहां मैंने c लिखा है सबको मैं c1 लिख दूंगा, एंड देन where c is equal to find the particular solution with the given initial condition. Okay, so here what I need to find, I need to find particular solution, I will not going to find general solution, here I will going to find particular solution. So when I'm saying I need to find particular solution, it means what, it means I will not get arbitrary constant, that is c, that arbitrary constant I will not get, okay. So let's solve that. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 2y cos of x. So I will try to separate it, मतलब x वेरिएबल एक तरफ लाऊंगा और y वेरिएबल एक तरफ लेके जाऊंगा, तो यहाँ ये हो जाएगा e to the power of minus 2y dy is equal to cos x dx, तो e to the power of 2y को लेके गया ऊपर गया, तो e to the power of minus 2y यहाँ, तो ये cos x, so I will going to take integration, समझो मैंने यहाँ इंटीग्रेट लिया, यहाँ भी इंटीग्रेट किया, तो यहाँ कांस्टेंट c आ जाएगा। नाउ व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन e to the power minus 2y dy, it is nothing but e to the power of minus 2y upon coefficient of y, that is minus 2, is equal to integration of cos x is what, it is sin x plus c, okay. Now there is a condition, this answer which we have, this is what, this is a general solution, this is a general solution, but what they have asked, they have asked particular solution, means when x is equal to pi by 6 and when y is equal to 0, that time what will be this arbitrary constant c. So I will going to substitute the value of y as 0, so it will be minus 2 into 0 will be 0, so I will write e to the power of 0 divided by minus 2 is equal to sin x, x is what, pi by 6 plus c. I will going to solve this. Now e to the power of 0 is what, e to the power of 0 is 1, so this will be my, and denominator is minus 2, so I will going to write minus 1/2 is equal to sin 30 is 1/2, correct, plus c. So if I solve this, I'll get the value of c as minus 1, correct. Now this minus 1 I will going to substitute. Where I will going to substitute this minus 1 over here to get particular solution. So my answer will be what? My answer will be minus e to the power of minus 2y divided by 2 is equal to sin x minus 1. This will be my final answer. So how to write this further? You can write this as this minus I will going to transpose here, and this minus 1 I will going to transpose here. So it will become 1 is equal to sin x plus 1 by 2 e to the power of 2y. Now this e to the power of 2y is there, so I will going to multiply by e to the power of 2y on both the sides. So next step will be 2 e to the power of 2y, okay, is equal to 2 e to the power of 2y sin x plus 1. Now here e to the power of 2y and 2 is constant, so I can take it 2 e to the power of 2y as constant. After transposing there, I'll get 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 is a required particular solution. Here I need to find the general solution. So when I say general solution, here you will get c as arbitrary constant. Okay, in particular solution you don't get c as general c in answer. Okay, so what to do now? Okay, x and y we need to separate. Is it possible to separate x and y? No, I don't see x and y I can separate. Why? Because cosec of x plus y, this is the angle. You cannot separate this angle. So what to do? So here we have to use the substitution method. What is the substitution method? Whatever you are not able to separate, इसको आप put कर दो. क्या? Let your x plus y be say u, और इसको differentiate करो with respect to x. So this will be 1. This will be your dy by dx, and this will be your du by dx. Now 1 you will write as it is. Then what is now your dy by dx? 1 plus dy by dx will be what? Here it is written, na? 1 plus dy by dx, here it is written. What's that? It is 1 plus dy by dx. Here this is written. What's that? It is cosec. It is cosec of u. And this du by dx you can write du by dx you can write like this. Now it is possible to separate, correct? So next step will be what? I will going to separate this. How I will separate this? Dx I will take it there, so here dx हो जाएगा, और ये cosec u I will bring it here. So this will become 1 upon cosec u, लेकिन न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाऊंगा तो this will become sin u du. Now I can see that variable is in separate form. u वेरिएबल अलग है, x वेरिएबल अलग है. अब क्या करूं? अब इंटीग्रेट करो और फिर कांस्टेंट लिखो. व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 dx? इट इज x. व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin u? इट इज minus cos u plus c, and then finally replace the value of u with your whatever you are assume ना, x plus y is equal to c. This is my answer. ये minus c cos u था, उसको वहां निकल गया तो plus cos u आ गया. So this is the answer. Got it?